What's up, y'all? My name is Devin, the DIY Lawn Coach. I hope you're doing well. Hope things are going well for you. I wanted to make a quick video for you guys. I'm getting ready to head over to my daughter's 13th birthday party. She actually turns 13 tomorrow. So make sure you wish her a happy birthday down in the comment section. But before I head over there, I made an application of this brand new hybrid organic fertilizer just a few days ago, and I want to show you guys the results. Let's go. So as I mentioned, this is a brand new hybrid organic fertilizer, and I'll leave links down below where you can find it. And it just came on the market here, especially to Western North Carolina. It just got released. And so again, I want to show you guys the results. Look at that lawn. I mean, it is absolutely shining like a new penny, as Pete with GCI Turf would say. It's just fantastic. I mean, look at the color. Just look at it. I mean, have you ever seen a fertilizer turn your lawn this color? Super easy to apply. It's just, you know, it's fantastic. It is a liquid that you have to broadcast spray all over your lawn. And what's really cool about it, you know, in the summertime, how we like to put down a PGR to help, you know, plant growth regulator to be able to slow down the top growth of our turf. Well, this hybrid organic fertilizer does the exact same thing. I mean, if you look at it, I'm probably not going to have to mow for at least a couple months, at least. But yeah, I mean, just let's get a little closer. Let me show you the color. I mean, it's just gorgeous. So if we get down in here, I mean, look at what it is. I mean, just look at this. It's just absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at how thick and beautiful that is. It's just incredible. And one other really cool feature about this new hybrid organic fertilizer is, and again, you have to broadcast spray this across your lawn. It's a liquid and it's organic. So if you accidentally get it on your driveway, which you can see, I mean, I kind of got a little crazy there and I spilled some on the driveway. But again, because it's organic, I don't have to worry about it staining my driveway, which is just another added benefit of this fertilizer. So if you want to follow me for more tips just like this, and when these new products get released, I'll bring them to you guys first. My name is Devin. I'm the DIY Lawn Coach, and I can't wait to see you in the lawn. Peace.